How to create a Google Ads account. Welcome guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can create your own Google Ads account. First step you want to do is go to ads.google.com. From there you want to click on Start Now. From here on you can add your information about your own business. So here you can see you can put in your business name, your own website, maybe a phone number, or if you have an app you can put it here. But for now we're going to click on create an account without a campaign. And here you can fill next information, the billing country where you're from, the time zone where you're in, and your own currency. Important, make sure you use the correct information because later you can't change this. After you've done it, you click on continue. Here you can confirm the payment info, so if it's correct you can see United States and New York time. Here you can select if you're an individual or from an organization. Below that you can enter your credit card information, and here you can select if you want personal guidance. You'll say no, and once you click on submit, you'll have your own Google Ads account. As you can see now I have to fill in this information, but if you've done that and you click on submit, you'll have your own Google Ads account. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.